wondered why your profile performance and post-performance reports don't show the same numbers? Don't worry, my name is Bethany and I'll quickly explain why in this Sprout Bites video. In Sprout, we have two types of data: profile level, which is sometimes referred to as reporting period data, and then post level, which is often called lifetime data. Profile level data, which you'll see in reports like Facebook pages, Instagram business profiles, or LinkedIn pages, focuses on what happened during a selected reporting period. That means it tracks any actions, so impressions, clicks, likes, comments, that took place only within that date range, even if the posts were published before. So for example, if you're viewing data for the month of May, it might include engagement from posts published in March or April, as long as people interacted with those posts on your profile in May. Post-level data works a bit differently. Reports like the post-performance report track the lifetime of a post, meaning they include all interactions that happened on posts published within your selected date range, regardless of your reporting period. So if you're viewing posts published in May and someone likes one of those posts in July, that interaction will still count towards the post's lifetime performance and will show up in the post-performance report for May. By comparison, it wouldn't show up in your profile performance report for May because it would be outside the reporting period. Most reports in Sprout use reporting period data, but a few, like post-performance or sent messages, use lifetime data. And since lifetime metrics update as engagement continues, you might see those numbers change over time. Because these reports look at data in different ways, one by when the engagement happened and the other by which post it belongs to, the numbers won't match exactly. So next time your numbers don't line up, just remember it's two different ways of looking at the same story. Try exploring both report types together to get a full picture of your performance.